Hey guys, so it's raining. I'm out here behind Walmart in Greenville, North Carolina, and gonna try to do some bass fishing. It's March 2020, and we're out here just gonna try to catch a big one, because that's what we always try to do. Starting out a little bit different, I have an underspin today, 1/2 ounce Strike King. Strike King underspin here. Throwing, it's like a Kitech, but it's not. I don't know the name for sure of it right now, but it's like a Kitech, so I'm throwing that on behind it. Gonna see if we can get somebody to commit to it. Get that blade to spinning and maybe a bass to biting. Haven't ever caught anything out here before, so this is only my 3rd time maybe coming out here. Like, man, that underspin is pretty big. It's a subble, probably a 1/2 ounce or something like that. Break it in or lose it, one or the other. Hopefully I could break it in. That's that. Let's get back at it. Quick change. I knew what I wanted. This is my niche right here. This is what I like doing. That red is gonna be like, hey, I'm a crawfish. Eat me, eat me. And the thing about this crawl, when I stop it, it sits up. So it'll sink all the way down and stand straight up, which is awesome, an awesome presentation. Because what I like to do, I like letting it sit on the bottom, and then I'm creeping it along. Actually, as long as I'm getting bottom contact. Yes, it's probably one of the best ways to lose them, but I find it's one of the best ways to catch nice bass too. Right in front of the point. Oh yeah, that's a bass right there, guys. That's something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. She swallowed it. Look at that. That's a nice one. Oh wow. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh, look at that right there. We did it again. We did it again. Man, first bass out of here. Look at that right there. Yeah, look at those red lips on her right there. You can tell that she's been eating craw. I just want to get a weight on her. And we can set her loose. It's on 0. £5, 4 ounces. I'll take that. I'll take that. 5.4. This right here is what you call a pre-spawn bass. About to get me one picture of her. One of the best things to see is when they swim away. So let's watch it, guys. There she goes. There she goes.